Welcome back to Retro Logging. In this video, we take on a daunting 160 acres of land in Cold Lake, Alberta that has experienced a significant amount of forest encroachment over the years. What was once 80 acres of pasture and 80 acres of forest has now transformed into about 60 acres of pasture and a challenging 100 acres of encroaching forest. This land reclamation project presents us with one of our most ambitious challenges yet. To help us with it, we bring in our good friend and his fit-for-duty implements to restore the balance between pasture and forest. Let's take a look at the equipment that will be utilized in this video. The horsepower behind this operation is the 2012 John Deere 328D Skidsteer, which is powering a formidable 78-inch rotary mower deck. As we gear up to tackle this challenging land reclamation task, we couldn't help but have our doubts at how this unit would perform. As you continue to watch the video, you can see our doubts were soon put to rest as we witnessed the sheer power and efficiency of this incredible machine in action. The John Deere 328D proved its worth as it fearlessly cut through the thick vegetation, making way for the restoration of this pasture land. Please let us know your thoughts on the performance of this unit in the comments section below. We value your feedback and would love to hear what you think. If you enjoyed the content and want to see more exciting projects like land reclamation, sawmill operations, forestry operations, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support motivates us to take on our ambitious challenges and share our passion for the industry. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.